where I get my project.
Yeah.
And I call my project Wenbo. Okay, and change this one to say small or medium. Okay, then you can take it now of yeah, good, because this is mine.
Oh,
for the
alright.
students. So and then I say okay. I say okay. Okay. I don't know what is this stupid. Why this stupid thing is going not to this? You can do all these things, fill in this thing, yeah? And, sorry?
No.
Okay, so now I'm here, I don't like these big icons. This, so I'm, instead of going there, I go to classic, I think, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Go to classic. This is what I prefer, okay? The small ones.
Yeah.
And then I go back to here. And now I know my data is on desktop, okay? So I read the data.
Same as how we do the leveling.
Yeah. But this one, you go to file. File, data input, XYZ, XYZ S point IT. That's what I prefer. Yeah?
Okay.
You can choose. Some students, they use general, but I like this one. That's my preference. So choose, and then I say the model will be either base or I read my data to Go. Okay? That's the model that I'm putting the data. Now, then what? You start telling how to get the data. The data will be in column number. You remember mine was point IT, north, east. So my X will be in column number 3.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. It's an easy thing.
So 3. Y is 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Z is 4.
4 is the height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then my point IT is 1. Okay. But my string, the name, the code was 5. Okay? So the name is 5, or the code in your case. How are my data delimited? Was it a tab? No. Mine is a CSV, so it's delimited by a comma. I select comma. Now, that's done. Oh. Why is he complaining here? Shit.
Maybe choose
File. XYZ colon IT.
And then you found it.
File to read.
Wrong.
You don't know the angle. Yeah,
Mm.
it's wrong.
Desktop.
I think so.
Not dot that. Star dot star. It is this one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm.
So go to basic. You can change this line color to black if you like. Leave this, or you change it to cyan, or textile, Arial. Skip column head, yeah, if there is. Don't join all, okay. And now I do this, put it into volume.
Ah, that's how it's the model.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
So it's the read XYZ as point.
So this one before the one we just did.
I think what we did, no, this is not the same one. I think we just, this is data input, we were doing data output.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why it didn't like that. And you can use one or whatever, but I don't care about if you leave it open. But and then go to format. Same thing. It's how is the input mode? It is delimited. Yeah. How column number one, number X is in what column?
3,
3,
2,
2,
4.
4, 5,
No, one.
and
1.
One.
No, play ID
One.
1.
Oh, one.
1 and comma. Okay? Now, I also put a met file there. Oh,
Oh, this is like an existing file for.
yeah, I wanted to, how can I get this to copy? How do I get, Wenbo, can you get this to
They're not browsing it?
desktop?
Just looking for the.
So, if I go now, browse, to desktop, see, I get my map file, yeah, because I put it there. Get the map file and open. Nothing more I want to do except read. Oh. So that is what came out from the field. Yeah? Spot height, trees, and I guess what was happening here, someone was using the GPS without turning it off. Just walking all the way, recording every second, picking up. Yeah? But that is something that you need. Or, because you can always look. If you want to, you can go, this is the cleanup thing. If you go to measure and edit icon here, yeah, you can now interrogate your data. This one, so it's under,
Oh, that's building.
yeah, under the model topo building. Okay? So you need to clean up the name BLD. Yeah? So now, if I want to, I can now go back to my data.
How come the map didn't show
What?
the map?
What map?
The Unitech map. Oh, it's in the different layers. Because you input the map as well, right? The Unitech
The
map.
Unitech map at the end.
Mm.
Did I do it here?
Yeah, you did.
You just did it now.
It didn't show up, right? How are we gonna merge the?
No,
survey
it's
map?
not. It's not Unitech map. It's the map file.
Oh, it's the map file.
It's a map file.
Oh,
What
it tells you where all the columns
Okay,
are.
what? Yeah. If I only input the data without a map file,
Mm.
guess what I will have?
So there's no. So the map file is reference.
Map file is how Delphi is going to map the data. Otherwise, it will all be processed.
Oh.
Okay, so we go without the map file. Yeah.
I understand. Yeah.
But you see,
I saw it's an actual map.
no, that's the map file. That's how.
Do we have one?
It's in the.
我们数据，我们那它下载
咱没有 map file，map file 是 download 的是吗？
那个什么呀？
这不就在这里？
就是这个
So map file is like a reference, right?
No, it is how I will show you what a map file is.
Where did you get the map file?
You create. I already put it here for you. I think that's what I tell everyone. If you want to, you can see this is the building.
Yeah.
See? Someone in that map file, all these feature name or code.
That's why it shows the tree straight away. If we,
The tree, everything named as tree will be shown as tree. I will show, don't worry. Gap. I think trip line is these ones, okay? A trip line for the trees.
so in the map file, DR, it will be recognized as tree. So when you put in the 12D, they will recognize that's a tree in the map file.
Did I close 12D? No. Okay. Here is the map file.
Mm.
If you go to File, Map Files, you can create or edit.
This one here, right?
Okay?
This one is not.
So what I told you before is you can edit my map file. Okay? That's not mine, it's previous students' map file. But you can edit it, that map file, according to your data. Yeah? See, if you say, and you look for the map file, it's under desktop, this one, open, and read. You go to basic, this is the map file.
I get it now. Layer is like a create a layer base.
This is how anything tree will be given
tree.
a name tree. Okay? And it will be under top of vegetation in green color.
Okay.
And it's a point. Okay? And top of cap, bottom of cap, edge of what? Spot height. Okay, that is the symbol, either point or a line.
So we can. My understanding is we can shoot first, and we extract the data, and then we use the data name, and then to create this map file. Or we can create a map file first, and then when we do the shooting,
You have to look at your data because
I'll have to look
this
at the
is,
data
see
first.
the name,
Yeah.
the key here what you put in the key are from your raw data, field file. These data are from the CSV file.
CSV.
Okay?
Hmm.
SH, these are the names on my CSV file.
If we want to create, we create in the 12B map file. And we create
I just showed
in
you.
that. Okay.
I just showed you you can create or edit. Okay?
Okay.
And I told you you can copy this map file from Moodle
And
and
then to
edit
modify
it.
Edit it.
Yeah. You edit it according to your data. Okay. If you look at the data, do you see DL? It's all come from here. Okay, if you go get, if you scroll down, there must be a gap somewhere. Or they don't, if you don't put anything, it will not show. So gap is POW. No, POW, it's not model here. So DL is strip line. Tree, you see the tree that we have here? Tree, and you must have something called survey marks. This is survey marks for this one. Okay? And you have tree and DL, DOK and BOK must be there, top of cap, bottom of cap. Okay? Okay?
When we survey the path, we show the middle point, central line, and then we show the boundaries. That's not supposed to be, right?
I don't know. I see.
So we're gonna-
Everything is there. It's up to you to interpret that. Okay? And put it, what do you want to show according to the specification? What do they want you to give them? Okay, not me. So that is a map file and what he is doing. Okay? And it's giving you that. And because of this, you can then now turn off this. Okay? Turn off that. Channel and fence and vegetation. Right, okay?
Yeah, well done. Can you open the storage for us?
Let me finish this. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
That's just it, it's extra.
okay. Okay. And then with this, you go okay. What you can do here is this. Find out what is this. Okay. Okay, what model? Volume. Okay, if we now get rid of gap and wall volume. Okay. Now if you want to do thin, create, triangulate data. New thin name, Wenbo. Green, thin style 1, model for thin, copy,
Until here, we have
paste.
answer. Where we have answer.
Okay?
Now we got answer. Delete that distance.
View data import. This is, I'm just translate.
Delete that distance and 16.
Okay? Then you can clean this up.
Is that the answer?
Do you remember how to do this? No? Okay?
I mean, is it the right
We
answer?
go thin. Now
Can we check
by string,
for example,
thin to null, rainbow, accept, right click,
this one is fine. Can we draw a line?
bigger. And then you now say finish, finish, and then you finish, and then you say thin, contour,
Should be fine.
contour smooth, label, thin to contour will be thin rainbow model, base, no. Smooth contour is major contour. Two.
I think that's the way we could solve it. I think that's the
Do you see the contours?
we just solve it on the line.
It's
Can we? Or do we need a calculation? Do we need a calculation? Is that we need to substitute that?
then I need to take out the thin, huh?
We have answer.
Spot.
Okay, that's one.
And you have your contour, okay? That's the thing, and then you put all your data in, your footpath and all those, because there's no footpath, but that's how
So,
you used to have
can
the.
you just do an example of how we would add a footpath to that? Like, it's
No,
just
I cannot edit. The data should be giving me the coordinates for the footpath. Your data should have that.
So how can we still use 12D to plug it into that same chip? Or?
Add it to the data that you read. Yeah?
Okay.
So you need to create your data, you should edit to have everything, because that will be easiest one. I mean, you can add. another file, another model.
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, plug
I
it
need to
up.
go and get that. Yeah.
Okay.
Leave this one here.